Creating photorealistic renderings is a goal for many artists across a large number of industries. 3ds Max has always been able to create very high quality 3D renderings, whether it's through the creative use of the traditional scanline renderer or the use of iRay. There are even a number of third-party renderers that allow you to create highly photorealistic renderings. iRay is a photorealistic renderer that is built into 3ds Max that is both simple to use and can create very high quality photorealistic renderings. Like iRay is able to handle a variety of lighting conditions. That includes daylight, nighttime indoor lighting, and the use of self-illuminated objects and materials. One of the greatest advantages that iRay has over other renderers is it provides the end user with very simple adjustments. The main adjustment is how long you want the rendering to be calculated. The longer you let it calculate, the higher the quality of the image. Beyond the length of time you want to render, you don't have to make any other changes to the render settings. iRay looks at whatever scene you're rendering and uses physically correct light calculations in order to generate a highly photorealistic rendering. One of the advantages of this type of rendering, especially when using area lights and object-based lights, is that soft shadows are calculated as a byproduct of the illumination. This allows for very accurate calculation of the area lights and their related soft shadows. Depth of field is also a byproduct of this type of rendering. So if you use a camera with depth of field enabled, there are no adjustments that you need to make other than the camera settings. Like shadows, depth of field is rendered with a very high level of accuracy. iRay is a GPU-enabled rendering process, even though it will use your CPU to do its rendering. However, if you have a graphics card that supports NVIDIA CUDA capabilities, you can dramatically improve the performance of the iRay renderer, providing higher quality results in much less time.